guys, welcome back to another video. So a lot of times what I've seen is businesses normally do not monitor the quality of the contacts coming inside of HubSpot. And because if you're on a marketing hub professional plan, you're charged by the number of marketing contacts you use. It is very important that you monitor those and delete or mark them as non-marketing contacts if they are of no use. So, for example, if you know that a contact hasn't been engaging with your emails for a lot of time, you have a re-engagement campaign designed, and see if they still don't reply, you move them to a non-marketing contact so that it makes space for more marketing contacts. So that's one way of doing it. There's a very easy workflow which you can create, especially for two kinds of contacts which should never be in your HubSpot CRM. One being the hard bounced emails, and the second one are contacts who unsubscribe from all forms of subscriptions. So there's a very easy workflow which you can create. So let's dive into it. I will go into workflows and create a workflow from scratch. Over here, I'll select Met Filter Criteria, Contact Properties, and over here, what I'll select is Hard Bounce. Hard bounce reason is known. That would be my first criteria. I'll put re-enrollment is on. So this is one. And what I'll also do is as an OR, again go to Contact Properties. Unsubscribe from all email is equal to true. So done and save. So now if you see, we have two criteria. One is if the email hard bounce reason is known, and the other if they've unsubscribed from all email. And now I'll add an action over here, which is basically over here, delete contact. I will click on save, and that's it. The workflow is ready. So whenever an email, a contact now hard bounces or unsubscribes from all of your emails, this workflow will automatically remove this contact from your system, and you do not need to worry about hard bounce cleanups or cleanup of unsubscribed contacts. This automates the whole process for you. So that's how you do it, and that's how easy it is. Hope you found it helpful. Thank you.